like for you? In fact, as a proper Niger guy, are you from Nigeria?
Yeah, sure.
We have our skepticism with online advertisements and many of these promises that we come across on the internet. What was the deciding factor for you? What made you choose 10Alytics? And what is your journey like?
I think I've been seeing the adverts on social media, I think on Instagram and Facebook for quite some time. I think for almost 1 year. I'm always very skeptical about these online courses. They just promise you.
I know.
And at the end of the day, we just see that the amount invested does not actually worth the time and the resources. Then over time, I just kept studying the personality behind the adverts, behind the business, Yeah. So I studied them. I look at their track record online, what they've done, what they are doing, check reviews. I was like, okay, let me just give it a try and let me see what they have in offering. One of the catch also when I started was the ability for you to build a career, a career path, a career, how do I put it, a life working career as if you've already started working. For you to be able to also transit to the new road that you gotten the training on. Let's say you are going to cybersecurity. They have the platform to say, okay, after completion, even during the training, you can use them as a more like an employee, whereby they provide resources for you. They provide recruitment resources. They fine-tune your resume, they fine-tune your cover letters, they coach you for pre-interviews, mid-sessions. I had that with them at a point, and it was successful, and the output of that, I know what I got from it. So the major thing that me personally that I took out from it is just that at the end of the day, you can point to them to say, okay, you went through this company as an employee, and they also provide that facility to support you going forward into the job market. So it's not that you just add the training, if it's 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, after that you got the certificate. Even when you have the technical skill required, at times you also need that referral. Some employers want to link you to an actual employee, an actual employer that you've worked with in the past. So if you
work experience,
that work experience can't in certain area, you understand. So it's actually required. So if you have 10Alytics as a support, then you make it easier. So when you are competing with two in a job, in a specific,
you have an edge.
You have an edge because you have the experience, you have the technical skill. You don't just have only technical skill. The experience is there, the track record is there, the referrals is there. So if there is going to be a reference required, you can go back to them. They give you a referral. So all those things add to a lot of things. To me, you get that value. So I've always been an accountant. So I went through the financial analytics. Which is more like, my core function, my core role. So it's not just like building myself more in the analytical skill. Power BI, I had the accounting role here in Canada, which the deep Excel skills that I learned while with 10Alytics, I was able to also use those there. I was also being able to use the Power BI, dashboard, the presentation, all these analytical skills give you the edge to say, as a traditional accountant, what else can you offer? Businesses want stories behind business, stories behind figures, stories behind data. It's not just 2 + 2 is 4. It's not debit and credit. What are the stories that you are bringing, as an accountant, as a financial analyst, or whatever analyst you want to be? It's just about storytelling, and Yes, with 10Alytics. I know they gave that, and most of the people that we were together then from as an accountant. But as I said, my coming in was not just to be a financial analyst, was more to develop my
understand
better, my analytical skill. As an accountant, I want to develop my analytical skill. I want to know better. I want to go deeper in Excel. I want to go deeper in Power BI. So those were my core expectations. Even though they had more, I was focused on what I needed. So I went for what I needed. And I think around November, I think I was with them in October. Then around November, I got a job. I will give it to 10Alytics for what I learned. Were part of what I showcased to also get that. All those things are what matters, when you go through this kind of training. If it's 100 students that pass through the system, 20 may be able to get something on their own, luckily, but the other 70, how have you now tutored them to now support them, not just leave them to wander around? And that is what they brought into the offering, that yes, we can still put you together, we can still follow up with you to understand what you are doing. I see a lot of chats, WhatsApp saying, what are you guys doing now? Which job have you applied? Just following up to just make sure. Which normal sense, it shouldn't be. You pay them for what they're supposed to give. They've given the training, you've gotten your certificate. Normally, it's supposed to be bye-bye,